Hello, 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 hello. How y'all doing today? Welcome my YouTube family. Welcome my YouTube family. Welcome to Bears Grow Room. Where today we're gonna do a review of the AC Infiniti Humidifier, the 4.5 liter humidifier. That's the small one. They got a bigger one. I think it's like 16 liter or something like that. But yeah, this is the smaller version. This is the Generation 2 of the Cloud Force T3 humidifier. So y'all watching this right along with me. How y'all doing today? And we're gonna open it and we're gonna hook it up in my 3x3 tent. You come with your instructions, user manual, your enter. This comes with everything. I got probably about 10 of these books. And they come in healthy. They come in here. There's good information in them if you don't know. Uh, it's good information. Tell you everything they make. They got three of them. They got the 4.5 liter, they got the 9 liter, and they got the 15 liter. Okay. Their germination kits, lights, grow lights, wall fans. Man, yeah, you can get a whole little grow tent kit with them. Look, there they are right there, all in one grow tent kit. Bam, all in one. Can't go wrong. So let's get to why we're here today. Uh, let's get to why we are here today. All right, let's move that out of there. Let's see how it go on there. Okay. I'll bring it up. One that I could strip antenna on the side. That's my plug to my 69 Pro. That's the plug for the temperature gauge. Yeah, man, this is nice. Let's see what we got going on inside. Okay. Let's start with this. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. That's your temperature and humidity controller. Well, gauge, and that's the plug. The plug to plug it into your 69 controller. Let me throw that in there. That 69 controller, whether it's the Pro or the Pro Plus, they all work the same. Okay, little dome. All right, now in the tube, and this is how this will go. Let me show y'all. That goes on there like that. Well, I ain't gonna put it on there all the way because I gotta fill it up. I'm about to use it. And then if it's inside the tent, you stick that on there and let it push the humidity out inside the tent. Or if it's outside the tent, put that plug there and then stick this in the inside of the tent and it'll push it from here all the way through this and into the tent. And for those that don't believe me, look, it shows you how to see that? Can't beat that. They getting good. Yeah. So this is the AC Infiniti humidifier. I want to thank y'all for coming out. Hanging with me tonight. I will see y'all next go round. So I will see y'all next go round. Hoses, the temperature and humidity gauge, VPD gauge, your UIS to USI extension, special, like I said, controller. And this is the machine, man. Can't be mad about that. That's nice. Y'all want good. That is nice. Y'all should go get y'all one.